No, it didn't work. Okay, put the boiler value.
Oh.
Yes!
Oh my god, dude. That's insane.
We're going right back up.
Do it again. Do you need me to take a hit?
No, I shouldn't. Oh wait, he might be walking down the stairs. He can't get out the doorway!
Wait, I hear you.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm going right back up. I actually love that. When your wiggle gets closer to finishing and your like bar is almost done.
Oh my god.
The pitch of the
He does not want to.
the pitch of the skill checks goes up.
Really?
Yeah, it gets higher and higher.
Oh,
Oh, I thought it was because you hit the great ones.
oh
Oh my god! Go
It's
back up.
holy
toxic.
shit. Boilover's busted now.
He
Looking at
just
him.
came right back up. Oh my god.
I'm here to take a hit if you need. I see him going. Are you gonna make it?
I think he's going upstairs.
I don't know, he went back upstairs.
What?
He hold me.
Run!
I gotta go back up there. This is toxic.
I gotta get out of here.
He's following me still, like why?
It is! Because you're Laurie Strode. You're his woman.
He's doing it.
Oh my god. No!
Is he not learning?
I'm literally gonna max my survival points out from this. I power struggled him! Because he walked into the pallet!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
People are probably like, what's
He walked into the pallet behind him and he got power struggled.
Did you slam him? Like,
Yeah.
or is it
Just automatically happened.
Really?
Yeah. That or maybe my space barring for skill checks activated it.
Oh my goodness. Go back up.
Why is
This is
he?
insane.
He missed the swing.
This is actually insane.
Oh my god.
He doesn't know what to do. You're halfway. You're...
Oh my god, he's stuck in the wall. Where are you gonna go?
Back up.
We're going back up. This is too good. He's just
I'm
standing
coming
over
back
me
for
now.
He doesn't know what to do.
He's done. Oh my god.
He's gonna go right into angry Twitter post.
Why
about
can't I
this.
see? Wait. Oh, power struggle reveals palette auras. That's crazy.
That's so good. Did they
Okay, I
change
see
it?
a palette that I could crawl to actually, but he's like currently just standing over me.
Yo,
I'm playing
unbreakable.
defense if you
And then I'm
need
gonna
me.
crawl to the pallet. Oh. Do you mind?
Yeah.
Insidious rifting. Okay, I'm gonna just try and get to the pallet. It's below me, but that means I lose the drop.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah, I think so.
I see him just standing on you.
He's just creeping over me. I don't think he's gonna pick me up. Where's the gates again?
That way.
Okay, straight ahead of me.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Come on, a little closer.
At least to the left a little, if not. Run, I got
Oh
your
my
back.
god, I see the
Holy
gate.
shit.
Oh my god.
Is this door open? I have no
I hope
idea.
so. It is. Oh my god.
Can I hear
Oh, this
you?
guy's gotta be
Wait,
so
oh my
mad.
god, I undid it. Oh, thank you. Oh my god, your noise is out
Nurse
here.
Cheryl! What? Oh, we got
That